Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, on today's episode, we're going to take a look at this 60 Chevy. We need to get it running and driving. I have no idea what's going on underneath the hood, so let's check it out. Well, this is a little fun. I rolled up this morning to Up and Running, and this is here. I don't know whose this is. I can tell you it's a 1960 Chevy. Looks like a fairly solid car. Huh, interesting. I'll have to let you guys know when I find out more about it. Alright, let's see if we can get this hood open. The old dog leash hold down. All right, come on, puppy. Woo, 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 woo. There she be. Hopefully there's some wiring hooked up to some stuff. That would be super awesome. Looks like somebody converted it to power brakes, maybe disc brakes. We'll see. We'll take a look at it and keep moving. Alright, so I'm starting to take a look at some of this, and there is just random wiring all over the place on this car, and none of it is plugged into anything. I think somebody just dropped an engine in and walked away from it. There's no fuel hooked up. Distributor vacuum advance isn't hooked up. There's plugs on the carburetor. This will be a fun little project. Let's take a look at the inside here. That seat doesn't look to be in too bad a shape. There's no door panels. It's an automatic car. Looks like a 2-speed automatic according to the shifter. See if we can see what else is back here. Boxes and boxes of parts. Huh. Let's see if we can get into the trunk. Alright, let's take a look inside the trunk. I've got the universal trunk key here. There we go, it opened right up. Full. Wow, a lot of, there we go. Boxes of stuff. Is there a radiator there? Alright. Alright, well, I guess we're going to have to get this all out of here to see what we have and what we don't and fun stuff like that. Should we see what it looks like inside the tail fin? Let's see if we can see. Ugh. That's what it looks like up inside the tail fin. And you can see all the mounting holes for the trim. This is actually a very solid car. There doesn't appear to be rust issues on it. Alright, let's take a peek underneath this car and see what it looks like. Look at that. This thing is super clean. You like never see these that clean. Let's go take a look some other places. Alright, this is the back end behind the rear tires. I mean, look at that. Super nice. Try to keep the glare down, but yeah, this car would be really nice all fixed up. This is some of the passenger side floor. Again, really nice. Beautiful. These have the X frame, so the frame is goes down the middle of the car. Then at the front and back it gets wide. The drive shaft actually goes through the center of the frame in the middle. I think here's a little bit better view of the frame. I'll show you something else that's kind of cool on these cars. If you look at the bottom side of the fin, you can see the seam where they put the fin and the back tail panel together, and then it disappears down into what you'd normally see when you're standing next to it. Let's go see if the other side is the same. And there you can see the seam on this side, and then it disappears down into what you would normally see. Then if you look on the inside of the fin, you can see there's the seam, and they put seam sealer on it inside here. All the lips and everything on this car are really nice too. There's no rust in them. I mean, you couldn't ask for anything better. Alright, I've got some bad news about this car. The owners decided to send this car off to the junkyard to be crushed, so it's going to be going away probably next week. Nah, I'm just kidding. Their parents bought this car new, so they're not going to do that. However, they did decide to take a different approach with it, so I'm not going to be doing anything to it. So we're going to say goodbye to it at this point, but I hope you enjoyed taking a look at it, walking around it. I know I sure did. So anyway, we're just going to move on to the next project. Hey guys, let's take a look at some viewers' rides. Hey, if you want to see your ride on the channel, send me some good quality pictures of your classic to the email address below. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time. Oh, hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for your notifications, and click the like button. Thanks for watching.